Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video we are going to take a look of some self-hosted panel alternatives that can help you deploy your own project on your own VPS, and we are going to split them into parts. The first part it will be the ones that can help you host various PHP applications like WordPress, Laravel or other PHP applications that you may have. These are great cPanel alternatives that are lightweight and can help you host different applications on your VPS, and the second part will be the one that will help you with development and one-click applications that it's using Docker and things like that. The first one that I'm recommending is CloudPanel. This is an hosting panel that can help you host PHP websites. It can help you host Python or Node.js sites. So it's having all of these functionalities that can help you host websites. I'm using CloudPanel for all of my WordPress websites, and this is the interface. CloudPanel runs on Nginx and it can be used with MariaDB. It has a nice interface. It allows you to create one-click website easily. For instance, if you're going to go to sites and add new, you can add a website easily with no problems. It can help you control your PHP settings. So for instance, in here you can see that you have some PHP settings that you can control and allow, and yeah, it has access to databases. It's using Varnish cache. It has also Redis. It has SSL. It has security for IP blocking or bots blocking. It has a file manager, cron jobs, logs, and so on. It has backups. So this is a great panel if you are into WordPress websites or other PHP websites, and it will allow you to host them easily. I'm using it for all of my WordPress websites. The second alternative, it's called CyberPanel. This is a panel that it's using OpenLightspeed under the hood, so you can install it on your own VPS, and this is a more complex one. It will have functionalities like you will see in the cPanel one. It can help you add users, packages, has database, it has DNS, it has a file manager. Again, it can use various PHP versions. It has also Docker, it has DNS, you have emails. So with this one you can also use it as an email solution. So this is a more complex one than CloudPanel one. I've used this in the past, but since then I've moved to CloudPanel because it's more light, and yeah, I find it easier to use for my needs. Yeah, in case you need a good panel for your PHP projects, you can take a look of CyberPanel. Next we're going to move to the Docker ones. So these are panels that are hosted in Docker, and it can allow you to deploy GitHub project easily. It can help you deploy application with just one clicks. There are three panels that I'm recommending here. The first one is EasyPanel. This is a panel that will allow you to deploy databases and projects with one click. This is the interface. I have it installed in here. I have created a couple of tutorials with this one, so you can also check them. In here you see that it has a nice interface. You can use it to install applications. You can control your Docker. You have information about the usage. You can connect to each Docker image within the UI. You can open it. You can assign SSL certificates and things like that. You can mount disks locally. It has a backup options, but this is in the paid plan, and yeah, it has a lot of functionality, and it has a lot of templates that you can use and choose from to install one-click application easily. It has a clean interface, and I really like it. Then the second options that is doing similar things with EasyPanel is Coolify. This is the Coolify interface, and right now Coolify, it has moved from version 3 to version 4. Version 4 it's under development right now, so this is a beta right now, but again, similar with EasyPanel, it will allow you to create projects, databases. You can deploy projects from GitLab. You can deploy project with Docker Compose easily, and yeah, this is the interface. For instance, in here I have a database that it's created. This is the interface. Also the interface is easy to use, it's clean. It will allow you to create backups to S3 storages easily. It will monitor the health of the Docker. It it has various customizations options in here. Unlike EasyPanel, you cannot run commands directly in here, and you don't have the resource usage for the containers. In here you can set resource limits for the containers like in EasyPanel. This is a great tool, and it has a lot of support. Basically this is developed by one guy, and yeah, I really like it. I'm just waiting for it to be fully released and not be in beta to present you more. The third option, which I am not as much familiar with the other one, it's called CRover. Again, you can install it on your server. It has the similar options like you see in EasyPanel and Qualify, and in here you can create easily an app. In here you have some app examples that are created. You see that it has a nice interface also. You have the configurations in here. You can deploy SSL certificate. You can link it with GitHub for automatic deployments like the other one. You can deploy one-click application easily. Let me see. So you can create the application easily. It has a very extensive database with one-click applications that you can deploy. You can deploy multiple application in here. You see here the list. It's quite big. I think it's the biggest list with one-click applications that you can deploy. It has also a monitoring option in here. It's using net data, so you can see the statistics for your server easily with the net data monitor. Yeah, this is a plus that it has on the other applications. Okay, so this is the net data one, and this is how it looks. You have a lot of controls to see exactly what is happening in your server, and yeah, you have some settings in here that you can choose. These are the self-hosted control panels that I'm recommending, and you can use to host your own applications. Each of them has various functions, and it will be up to you to choose the one that you like more, and it has the functionality that you need for your project. If you have new ones that are not included in here, you can drop a comment into the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you like what you have seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.